Welcome to session 26. In this session, we shall practice one example by using VLOOKUP. So in the previous session, I had described complete details about the usage and various aspects to be considered while using VLOOKUP. We know that VLOOKUP in Excel is an Excel function to look up data in a table organized vertically. It is available under Formula tab, in Formula tab under Lookup function, which appears in the last. So given in this example, I have a data which consists of name of the students, subjects and the marks. Among this complete data set, if I want to retrieve some particular data in random order, then VLOOKUP is the best function to use. How shall we use it? Click on the cell where you want to retrieve the data and keep your cursor there. So in my case it is G17. Once your cursor is there, look for the VLOOKUP function under Formula tab. Select it. Then you can see the function argument appears. Under the lookup value, click the first cell where you want to retrieve the data. In the table array, cover the data which has to be sorted out from where the data has to be taken. In the column index number, put the column number which data you want. In this case, we require marks. So name being the common data which is both in the master data as well as the data where we need it. So this is the column 1, this is the column 2 and column 3. Therefore, the column number will be 3 and the range is 0. So this 0 is for false, equal to false, and that is nothing but the exact match. And once you have put all the functions in the argument, you have to just click on OK. And you can see that the VLOOKUP has automatically arrived at the details. And once the data is arrived in the first cell, just drag the data. And one can see here the complete details have been derived at. So VLOOKUP is a very easy and effective tool in arriving at various aspects from a big data set to a small data. We shall do this again one more time. So I want the subjects now. How do I do it? Take your cursor and you need to go to the lookup function, choose VLOOKUP, click on the data which is the first one where you want the data to be retrieved. The table array will be the complete coverage of my master data. My column number in this sense is the details from where my details have to be extracted. That means column B. So here this is my column 1 and this is my column 2. So I want the subjects, hence it is column 2 here. So type the column number, column 2. And for the exact match, you can put false or 0 and then say OK. Here I have the subject in just matter of a second, and then you can just drag it, and here you have the complete details of the subject taken by the students. Hence, dear students, you can see that VLOOKUP function works like a magic when you want to extract some data from a big master data. I am Padmini Vasant. I hope this practice has made things very easy for you to retrieve small data from a big master set data. Thank you very much. In the next session, we shall talk more about one more example using VLOOKUP.